Here we are, amazing team, amazing young people, an amazing old steam train that we're about to board to head off to Watchet to serve the people in the town.
Young people from Spring Harvest, and we're helping the town of Watchet.
Today we are washing cars and Watchet is spread between 2 car parks. It's enjoyable asking people if they want free car washes. Normally they can't believe there's something free without a catch, so that's nice. There's also groups that are doing Easter craft sessions, litter picking and handing out Easter eggs.